Second quarter. Rapido. Dombrique to Rapido. Dalmino back to
Rapido. 5 shot lock.
Oh, good. Kompas to Sararianya. Chin fires, no good. First throw, basket. Last throw. Super 2 by Chin, 28-20. 8-point lead by Biton.
Official score 20-28 Biton.
Dalmino. Dombrique. Floater, no good. Pani Kompas. Tinira. Black. Balantar to Sararianya. Basket by number 11 of Tabuksuba, 22-28. 4-0 run by Tabuksuba. Dalmino. Offensive foul, number 4. Chin. Sararianya. Basket by Sararianya. 24-28. Last break na agaw ni Sumalantar. Sararianya to Kompas. Same turnover. Follow-up basket by Sararianya. 26-28. 8-0 run by Tabuksuba. Kakuyan. Tinira, wala. Naghalukan. Chin. Tapaw. Kompas. So good. Follow up. Wala pa rin. Covered by Kompas to Sararianya. Back to Kompas. Long two. Basket. 28 all.
28 all.
10-0 run by Tabuksuba. Kakuyan. To Badoles 3. So good. Rebound by Kompas. Steal by Dalmino. Fires. Basket by Dalmino.
6 minutes start.
30-28. The drought has ended for Bitoon. Sararianya to Chin 3. No good. Pani Takuyan.
Shot clock.
Badoles. 10 shot clock.
5 shot clock.
3. No good. Papas for the rebound to Zararanya to Sumalantar. Basket by Charles Sumalantar. 30 all. Second deadlock of the ball game. Doles, Paulo to Provido.
10 shot clock.
Badoles, 3. No good. Chin for the rebound.
5 minutes 20.
Itawan. Ako ni Kompas. To Chin. Sumalantar. Block by Dalmino. Dalmino to Flores. Pass to Badoles. Side pass. Diaday na center. Basket
2 points.
by Kyle Diaday. 32-30. Balik sa Bitoon ang Kalamangan. Zararanya. Sumalantar. No good. Rebound by Dalmino. Ali. Pick and roll by Provido. 34-30.
Official score 34-30 in favor Bitoon.
Chin for 3. Basket by Chin.
34-33. Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds in the second quarter.
Pass to Diaday. Badoles. Jumper is good by Badoles. 36-33. Timeout.
Sa liwat sa atong mga
Chin pass to Mesias.
4 minutes.
Chin for 3. Short. Turnover. Crucial. Dribbling the ball. Nasa kay Diaday, Kyle. Badoles. Back to Diaday.
10 shot clock.
Crucio for 3. No good. Wala pa Rivera. Cannot take it. Nakuha ni Moquete. Pass to Mesias. Clint Mesias.
official score 36-33. Bitoon. Remaining time 3 minutes and 21 seconds.
Mesias to Sumalantar. Long pass to
Five shot
Chin.
clock.
Jumper. Floater. No good. Nakuha ni Provido. Bitawan. Nakuha ni Chin. Pass to Moquete.
3 minutes.
Moquete fires. No good. Mesias. That's an offensive foul for Mesias. 3 points by Paulo Badoles.
2 minutes
39-33, 6-point lead by Bitoon. Mesias to Chin for 3. No good. Mesias rebound, blocked by Diaday.
10 shot clock.
Moquete from baseline jumper for Moquete, 35-39.
39-35. Remaining time 2 minutes 11 seconds.
Nice one.
Badoles, jumper is good by Badoles. 41-35. 6-point lead by Bitoon. Chin to Mesias, back to Chin. Moquete, no good. Rivera for the rebound. Nasa kay Badoles for 3. Basket by Paulo Badoles. 44-35. Balik sa
1
shot.
minute 30 seconds.
Ang Kalamangan ng Bitoon. Mesias to Sumalantar. Moquete, baseline, no good. Agawang buko, nakuha ni Diaday. That's a jump ball. That's no-brainer. Mesias. Nasa kay Kompas. Back to Kompas. Kompas. Floater. jumper basket is good by Compass. 37-44.
55 seconds.
Moquete si Crosio. Crosio to
50.
Bandoles for 3. Wala. Pani Diaday. Jumper basket by Kyle Diaday.
30 seconds.
46-37. Balik sa Sham. 40 seconds. Blocked by Diaday.
13.
Naagaw ni Bandoles. Matakbo.
25.
Bandoles, no good. Panichin.
20 seconds.
Chin to Moquete.
15.
There's a foul. Moquete. No good.
10 seconds remaining time.
Last throw. Basket is good. 38-44. 46.
10 seconds.
Joshua, 10 seconds. Joshua for 3.
5.
No good. Messias. Anong decision? Not counted.
Not basket.
At basket.
38-46.
End of the second
End of
quarter
the
of
second
first
quarter.
half. Official score 46-38
In favor of
in favor of
Bitoon.
Team Bitoon. So once again, hindi natin pagharangan ng